Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've been searching for ways to make money online, you're in the right place. Today, I've got 10 proven methods that are generating cash for people just like you, right from the comfort of their own homes. So, grab a pen and paper because you're going to want to take notes on these. 1. Freelancing. First up, we have freelancing. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, programmer, or even a virtual assistant, there's a high demand for freelance services online. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com are great places to start showcasing your skills and landing gigs. 2. Start a blog or YouTube channel. Next, consider starting a blog or YouTube channel. Share your passion, expertise, or interests with the world, and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. It takes time to build an audience, but with dedication, it can be incredibly rewarding. 3. Affiliate marketing. Speaking of affiliate marketing, it's a fantastic way to earn passive income. Simply promote products or services you believe in, and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Amazon Associates and ClickBank are popular platforms to get started. 4. Online courses and ebooks. If you have knowledge or skills to share, why not create and sell online courses or ebooks? Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Gumroad make it easy to package your expertise and sell it to eager learners worldwide. 5. Dropshipping. Another lucrative option is dropshipping. With minimal upfront investment, you can start an e-commerce store and sell products without ever handling inventory. Simply find a reliable supplier, set up your online store using platforms like Shopify, and start marketing your products. 6. Print on demand. For those with a creative flair, print-on-demand services allow you to design and sell custom merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. Sites like Printful and Redbubble handle production and shipping, leaving you to focus on designing and marketing your products. 7. Stock photography and videos. If you're handy with a camera, consider selling your photos and videos online. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images offer a platform to showcase and sell your work to businesses and creatives worldwide. 8. Social media management. Are you a whiz at social media? Offer your services as a social media manager to businesses looking to expand their online presence. From content creation to engagement, there's a high demand for skilled social media professionals in today's digital landscape. 9. Virtual events and webinars. With the rise of remote work and online learning, there's a growing demand for virtual events and webinars. If you have expertise in a particular field, consider hosting paid webinars or virtual workshops to share your knowledge and connect with an audience. 10. Cryptocurrency trading and investing. Last but not least, cryptocurrency trading and investing have become increasingly popular avenues for making money online. Whether you're trading actively or investing for the long term, cryptocurrencies offer exciting opportunities for financial growth. And there you have it. 10 proven ways to make money online in 2024. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence, dedication, and a bit of creativity, you can turn your online ventures into a lucrative income stream. Which method are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making money online. Until next time, happy earning.